Roads and Highways Minister Kwesi Amoako-Atta climaxed a 3-day inspection of roads and bridges that has been washed off by violent flash floods on August 12 in the Upper West region with a press conference. He stated that a total of 106 projects have been awarded in the region and work is currently ongoing, and they are putting a close eye on them.
All the 106 ongoing projects, contractors are on, but I cannot say that all the sites are active. As for that, we keep monitoring them. Those that are active are going to be supported, as we have been doing, to complete the works. If there are 1, 2, 3 that are inactive for whatever reason, we shall work it out.
Kwesi Amoako-Atta warned that they will not hesitate to terminate the contract of any of the contractors if they underperformed.
And that contractor, no matter who you are, no matter your size, no matter your pedigree, once you can perform, I have the moral courage and the moral authority to knock you off, and you'll be knocked off and replaced by a more competent person. So people should rest assured that we are monitoring every contractor, not only in the region, across the nation.
The Roads and Highways Minister admonished prospective contractors who have their eyes on bidding for road contracts would have been resourceful to stay away, as in the coming weeks the narrative will change.
From next week, we are taking steps to stop that. Don't come into that industry empty-handed. They must be prepared. We are in a country that everybody wants to be a contractor. Ghana, everybody wants to be a contractor. Everybody must be prepared to come. It's open to everybody, yes. Any Ghanaian has the right to be a contractor, but come also prepared to help yourself, to help government, and to help the people of this country.
The Roads and Highways Minister further assured the people of the country that following the success story of the 2020 year of roads is being extended into the year 2021.
Whether surface dressing, whether asphaltic overlay, whether bridges, whether interchanges are robustly and briskly going on across the length and breadth of this country, across all the 16 regions of the nation, across all the 260 districts of our country, and it will continue. And roads are being fixed, and the manner and the speed with which Ghanaian roads are being worked on is unprecedented.
Reporting for Joy News, Rafik Salam. Wow.